The road to free honey. Beginner beekeeping. Bees in the post. Yes, bees in the post. Live bees in the post. Emergency cells. Queens in the post. Where else can go wrong? Watch this video. Bees! Oh, bees! Honey! Away, Oreo! Oreo! Away! Come away! So, do we have him in that orientation? Are we going to get a bit of drifting? Or do I turn him back to back? So, facing that way and that way. Oh man. Oreo, away. Not for you. Get your nose stung. Wow, look at the little girls. They're so tiny. They're so small. Taking the screws out. Ah, shit. Oh God. Should have put a bee suit on. What we're doing, Rich. Right, it's a quick run and go. They want to come out. Let's put his bee suit on. Then we'll open them up. Right, let's get the bee suit on. Woo-hoo-hoo. Let's get it on. Right. Can't believe I'm putting a bee suit on just to open a little door for them. But anyway, I don't know how quick they're going to come out, so yeah. Don't want to get stung straight away, do we? No, we don't. Right. So, how does this work? Look in the mirror. Goes over there like that. Happy days. Very good, very nice. Here they come. If you can see that, 'cause I can't see with a veil, but they're coming out. And a little orientation. Flight. And through the gaps. And one's at the back. Coming out now more. Now I've opened it up. It's starting to rain though. Right, a bit of a dilemma. Obviously the nukes came yesterday. It was a really nice day, bees flying. So I decided, maybe it's a rookie mistake, but I decided to leave them in the nuke overnight, not disturb them because they were flying about. So I'm actually foraging all the way around because we live next to a farm and I'm near farmland. It's just a gun, let me get that back. And so today it's saying 12 degrees and it is now 9 o'clock, but it's going to rain all day and these bees need feeding. It says on the side, obviously, feed them straight away. Well, I didn't know how to feed them straight away in the nuke because I've got no way of feeding them. So basically, I got some feeders from Gwenny Griffin where I got the bees from. It's a top plastic feeder that you take the roof off and then obviously you pour the syrup in and put the roof back on. So I think what I'm going to do, lesser of two evils today, is I'm just going to get the bees in the hives because once it rains I won't be able to feed them as well. I can't go 2 days without feeding them. So yeah, that's the plan. So one down, Queen's definitely in there, I saw her. So we're gonna video this one. Taking 5 out to put 5 back in. You can see her on there. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Stalls. See her on there. Little stores. Look. See her. Honey. Doing a wiggle dance there. Doing a bit of a wiggle dance. See her on here. Showing this one. Loads of stores, loads of eggs. Here's the eggs. Cat brood. Let's go back in. Looks like a brown to me. Can you see her? Managed to see this one. No. Turn the camera. There we have it, second one. Didn't find the queen though, so to have a look next week. So we got some happy invert from Griffith. So we're going to feed the hives now before it pisses it down. I just managed to get it done before the rains come in. So in this hive I did see the queen with a white dot on her, even though I didn't have it on camera because I wasn't going to film it, because I just thought the rain was going to come. But then obviously the second one here I decided to film it, but I didn't see the queen. So we've just fed them with some sugar syrup. We'll give them a week and then we'll have a look inside, see what the crack is. It's not that good day today though. It's supposed to be raining all day. It's supposed to be raining from 10 o'clock and it's spitting now. So yeah, we'll see. Just a quickie before I go, did I do the right thing? Obviously it's early morning, 9 o'clock. Obviously it is only 12 degrees, slightly windy, but it does feel like 8 degrees. I did get them swapped over as quick as I could. So yeah, comment down below, did I do the right thing? Because if I hadn't have done, and it was going to rain all day, which it's going to do, when was I going to get to feed them? And would they have starved? I don't know. Who knows? So I think I've done the right thing, but if I hadn't, or I have, drop a comment down below. Let me know, you pro beekeepers. See you later. Two queen cells there. And another one there.